Even though this says extension, we're going to go ahead and do it. We're still on Calculus 5.2, and we are on example 4. So it says, if f is continuous on the closed interval from a to b, and differentiable on the open interval from a to b, which of the following could be false? So we're talking about could be false. So the first one is actually something that in the 2023 school year we haven't learned yet, but we will eventually. It's talking about the derivative being equal to the slope. So the instantaneous rate of change being equal to the average rate of change. And this is actually true. It's something we call the mean value theorem, or MVT. So that one is always true. So we know it can't be choice A. I'm going to pop down to choice C and D now. It says f has a minimum value on the closed interval from a to b, and f has a maximum value on the closed interval a to b. Those are very similar, so we know that they'd either both have to be true or both have to be false. And we've learned that you have to have a maximum and a minimum if you are on a closed interval. So these are both always true. Always true. Always true. So it cannot be C or D. So it has to be this one right here. So it says the derivative equals 0 for some c such that we are in the interval between a and b. So think about that. If I have this, right, we know the derivative would have to equal 0 here and have to equal 0 here. But it doesn't have to equal 0 there, and it doesn't have to equal 0 here, and it doesn't have to equal 0 there. Our slopes are not equal to 0 at those points. So this one is only, it could be false. Because it is true sometimes, but not all the time.